good concerto in G. Jean-Pierre Rampal and the Francis Chamber Orchestra here on WCRB. You're listening to Classical Radio Boston. I'm Tyler Alderson, in for Kathy Fuller. We have Vladimir Feldsman playing Bach's Italian Concerto coming up. Fantastic piano playing.
#1 real estate team in Rhode Island now for the past 10 years. Now, because of that, if he can't sell your home at a price and deadline that you agreed to, he'll buy it himself. Now, you and Nathan will sit down and must agree on a price and time of possession, and Nathan will let you out of your contract at any time right up until you accept an offer. Real estate mogul and Shark Tank star Barbara Corcoran and I agree. If we needed to sell a house in Rhode Island or surrounding areas, well, the only call we would make is to Nathan Clark. Call Nathan today, 401-232-7661, online at nathanclarkteam.com.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Information coming out of our states here with the teachers' unions of teachers about COVID. We're going to get to that. But speaking of schools and freedom, the college stays true to their principles of defending freedoms. Said college doesn't take a dime of government money, not a drop, because they practice what they teach, self-sufficiency. Hillsdale College, Rush Limbaugh frequently makes mention of them for those reasons and more.
Okay, I mentioned Hillsdale College. And, boy, you talk about a standout. We've been discussing the...
Turn right on Laurel Avenue, then turn left on Paper Avenue. Turn left on Paper Avenue. In 1.1 miles, turn right to I-195 West.
What does it cost for a Netflix subscription? Is it $18 a month, and you're going to pay, what, is it $30 grand a year to have video courses from UC Davis? This is another thing the president needs to press upon, is saying to these big, it's a big college, you intend to take money for this? By the way, pull the federal dollars. We didn't give tax money in federal dollars for kids to watch a video screen, for young people to watch a video screen. There's got to be some pressure here, and I hope the president will apply that. Open line Friday, 800-2282. Karen in Madisonville, Tennessee. You're on the Rush Limbaugh program. It's Todd Herman filling in. Hi, Karen.
Hi, my daughter is a professor in what I call the Blue State Prison of California. And they have made a thing out there. They've told them that if they go along with all their Marxist crap and everything else, and they will be able to stay in their job. I think she's probably one of less than 14 people in her department who's a conservative. She speaks her mind. I don't think she cares about the outcome in that regard. I taught my children not to live by the four-letter word fear. And they've told them that if they want to leave the teaching there, that's fine. They will cancel their insurance, their medical insurance, with an insurance company that they have out there. They can no longer retain it. And that if they don't go along with the programs they want to institute in the society that's going on, then they get what is called the offer of a golden handshake. You either go along with what we tell you you're going to do, or you can take a golden handshake. They used to call it a gold watch when you got bounced. You know, golden handshake. Check that out. I mean, this is a person who has been teaching for 20-some plus 5 years. She has tenure. She is 100% conservative, and she cares about her students, and she's teaching 100 students online, and they are requiring all their teachers that are online to take extra courses in how to do these things, and how to assimilate, and how to give in, actually, is a good word. And I just think that they need to know, people need to know, if you live by fear, fear is going to kill you more than anything else, and certainly more than the virus ever would even be able to.
That is a remarkable way you've said this, and your daughter is remarkable for standing up for who she is and her beliefs in those circumstances. You're discussing mob rule. You're discussing literal mob tactics. I mean, this is literal mafia stuff, and let us never forget. Saul Alinsky, the great, Barack Obama's community organizing guru, he learned from the mobs. When Hillary went to meet with him in Chicago and wrote him these love letters, he was learning from the mob. How do you keep people in order, is what he was saying. How do you keep the troops from, going rogue? Well, we do this. This is the thing we do. They may not kill you, but they'll kill your career. That is an incredible call, Karen. Thank you very much for sharing that with us. And tell your daughter we're so very proud of her for standing strong. This is the stuff, folks. This is the stuff that we need to share as much as possible to get out there. And there's ways to do this. If this is happening and you're leaving your career, can you please document this? Can you please get this to people like me, or better yet, get it to Rush, get it to people who can let people know what's going on? Americans don't like that sort of behavior. They want to know what's going on. Let's talk to Dawn in Raleigh, North Carolina. Dawn, you're in the Rush Limbaugh program. It's Todd Herman filling in. Hi, Dawn.
Hi, Todd. I am a teacher, and my comment to you today is that all the COVID outbreak, the professionals in our country, police officers, nurses, doctors, etc., continue to go to work. So I don't understand why teachers who claim to be professionals feel like they get a pass.
It's a great point. You're a teacher. Do you want to pass?
No, I want to go to work. And that's what made our country great. That's what you're supposed to do. If you want to be considered a professional and get paid like one, then you should get up there and work, do your job.
Well, I would also say this. The science, every study, there's 7 of them. And I'm talking about peer-reviewed trials, peer-reviewed, randomized